In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x80070003 update error in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click other troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions. It will ask you for the problem that you're facing. So simply you need to follow its instructions and recommendations on fixing the issue. Now after running the troubleshooter, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then the next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Here, copy this command which will be posted in the description box below the DASM command. Control C to copy. Control V and hit enter. And then once the DASM scan has been completed, well, it will take for like 50 minutes. So patiently wait for the process to be done. And once this is done, copy the second command, which is the SFC command. Okay, so run the SFC scan after the DISM scan, and once the commands have been completed successfully, type exit in the command prompt window. Then again, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. For the final method, go to the Windows search bar and type Notepad. Click on it. Copy the command which will be posted in the description box below. This one. Simply copy this, the script, and then Control V. Then click on the File tab and then click on Save As. Click on the desktop and then just simply name this as fix.bat. Okay, fix.bat. Do not forget the extension .bat or .bat. Save as type, choose all files and click on Save. Now once done, you'll find that in the desktop, right click and then select Run as Administrator and then wait for the process to be done. This will perform a lot of tasks. Okay, so this may take a while, but just simply patiently wait for the process to be done. And then once this is done, just again, do not forget to restart your Windows. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.